Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to use the voucher typewise summary report in Edit Log Summary. Press Alt-G. Type or select Edit Log Summary Voucher Types. The voucher typewise summary report appears. From the voucher typewise summary report, you can further drill down to view the monthly summary of edit logs for each voucher type. The Edit Log Monthly Summary offers a detailed breakdown of all vouchers under a specific voucher type organized by their voucher date. Select a month and press Enter to drill down to Edit Log Summary Vouchers screen. Press Alt F5 to toggle between the detailed and condensed view of the vouchers with its versions in the Edit Log Summary Vouchers. Press F9 to see all the versions of the edited voucher. You can select the altered activity of the voucher and press Enter to see the differences between edit log versions. The changes across the different edit log versions are highlighted in red. By default, only the altered information is displayed on the screen. If you want to view all the information along with the unchanged details, you can press F12 and set Show Altered Values Only to know. Additionally, you can configure the voucher typewise summary report in Edit Log Summary as per your business requirement. In the voucher typewise summary, press F5 to remove the default filters applied through basis of values and display all your vouchers. Pressing F5 again will reapply the default filter settings to the report. Press F8 and update the report details to view logs created or changed during the selected period. In the Report Details subscreen, for selected version period, enter the from and to dates to get data about the available versions of the masters in that particular period. You can select all version periods to view all available versions of the vouchers. In the voucher typewise summary, press F9 to display the total version count for the filtered vouchers considering all available versions. Selecting the F9 option again will revert the report to display only the configured versions as per the version filter set in basis of values. Press Ctrl B to configure the report with specific values. From the list of configurations, select Show Report For to filter the report based on the activity type that exists for various types of vouchers. You can select the type of vouchers and type of activity to filter your report. Under the list of configurations, select Include Vouchers with Altered Bank Reconciliation Details to exclude the versions of vouchers where only the bank reconciliation details have been altered. Similarly, the Include Vouchers with Altered E-invoice e-way bill details will allow you to exclude versions of the vouchers where either e-invoice details or e-way bill details or both are updated or altered. From the list of configurations, select Username to configure the report based on required usernames from the security level. From the list of users, select the required username to configure the report for a specific username. Additionally, you can select the Specify Username option to configure the report based on the usernames that existed in the security levels but have now been deleted or renamed. Under the list of configurations, select all version periods to view all available versions of the vouchers. Select the View Versions for option to see the transactions based on their versions that were altered in a particularly relevant period. in the report details subscreen for selected version period, enter the from and to dates to get data about the available versions of the masters in that particular period. Press Ctrl H to view the report with a different set of data. From the list of views, select User-wise Voucher Summary to get a clear overview of the voucher activities carried out by each user in the system. Select a username and press Enter to drill down to the type of vouchers. You can further press Enter to drill down to the Edit Log Monthly Summary and Edit Log Summary vouchers. Under Related Reports, select Master-wise Summary Report to see all masters grouped by their type. Currently, you can track edit logs only for 3 master types: groups, ledgers, and stock items. Similarly, you can select List of all vouchers to get a comprehensive list of all the types of vouchers for the entire report in one place. It offers you an overall view of altered non-altered transactions. In Voucher Type-wise Summary, press F12 to configure a sorting method and select a parameter based on which you wish to sort the report. As you saw, you can use the Voucher Type-wise Summary to view the altered, non-altered, and total vouchers, including their counts and version details. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.